Knocking out the background of your social media images has become a very popular digital marketing trend. And normally you would have to hire a graphic designer or use some fancy graphic designer tool just in order to knock out the background of your social media images. But on today's episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you a really simple and really fast way that you can knock out the background of your social media images to up the game of your digital marketing design. Creating a cutout image of an individual by removing the background of a photo has become a very popular digital marketing design trend over the past few years. We've seen this cut across all social media platforms, but we have seen it especially on YouTube with YouTube thumbnails. Typically, a YouTuber will take a picture of themselves and then they will create a cutout image of themselves by removing the background, and then they will superimpose a fake background behind that cutout image, and then they will include text overlay. And we've seen this on Facebook and Instagram as well, where a real estate agent might market a property listing and then they'll overlay a cutout image of themselves and then provide their contact information next to that cutout image. And this is a great way to humanize your brand and make a connection with your audience. And that's why very successful YouTubers have been using this tactic for years. But normally you would need to employ a graphic designer or utilize some fancy graphic design tool just to remove the background in your photo. But on today's episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you a very simple, very easy way that you can remove the background in your photos literally within seconds. Now, quick disclaimer that this will produce a lower resolution image, so I recommend that you not use this for any professional print material. However, it is a very effective method for your social media marketing. So let me walk you through the very simple, very easy steps to remove the background of your photos for free, literally within seconds. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go to remove.bg and click on Upload Image. Then you're going to want to find the image that you want to remove the background from on your computer. Once uploaded, Remove BG will automatically remove the background of your photo, creating a cutout image of yourself. Now, if you need to erase additional elements to your background, you can click on Edit and you can click on Erase, and you can erase additional elements from your background, or you can just click on Restore to restore the original image. You can also go to Background and you can insert false backgrounds into your image. Or if you go to Color, you can insert different colored backgrounds, or you can just opt to download a transparent background version of your cutout image. So once you have selected the options for your image, you can go to download. Now, if you click download high resolution, this will cost you money. You do get one free high resolution download once you create an account. But if you just want to simply download a free version of this, you can just click on download. Then go over to your free Canva account and then just insert it into your property listing, or insert it into your YouTube thumbnail. So there you are, guys, a 2-Minute Tip Tuesday done within 2 minutes. I told you, I can do this. I'm up for the challenge. Can't promise it all the time, but I will certainly make it more of a point to do so. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful in upping the game of your digital marketing design. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, make sure that you give it a like and make sure that you subscribe to the Home Studios YouTube channel and make sure that you hit that notification bell. That way you will get notified anytime we publish a new episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday done within 2 minutes, or you'll get notified of any of the other great content coming out of the Home Studios YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.